In this digital era, you need to have some basic skills in video editing, and CupCat has made it even more simpler for any other person who doesn't have any professional skills in video editing using the professional tools. So today I am going to show you how you can edit your videos from your Android phone using CupCat. So the first thing you'll want to do is to open your CupCat, or you download it if you don't have it. So you tap on it, and then you tap on this new project, and then you click on the album so that it can open your folders. You click on the folder you want to pick your video from, you tap on the video, and then it will open up here. Then you can just tap on this add button so that it adds it to your project panel. So here is your project panel. It has so many tools. First of all, we are going to split this video. If you want to trim off some part of your video, you just tap on the video, then it will display the split button. Here you can trim off some part. You click on this split, it will cut the video into pieces. So you can go to the point where you want to trim, you also click on split, and then you can delete the part you don't want. You just tap on it and click delete. Then we're going to trim off another part within the video. Every time you just want to trim off some part, you click on the video so that it can show you the split button. And when you see the split button, you just tap on it. It will split the video into different parts. Here you just split, and then you delete the part you don't want. The end, you can just click on it and delete so that it doesn't display the logo. So I feel okay with this size. Okay, let's trim off some part here and delete it off. So I feel this is enough trimming. We are going to remove the audio. You just tap on this mute audio, it will remove the audio, and then here you can tap on add, then you tap on sound. You'll use this to add your own audios that you want. They have provided you with some audios here, but if you want to add your own audio from your file, you click on this folder icon, file icon, then you tap on device. You can even extract audios from videos that you have in your phone, but here I want ready audio from the device, so you just click on the plus button to add the audio here. Once you have added the audio, you can see it is still active, and then here you can split so that you delete off the excess part. So the audio and the video are now the same length, as you can see. So this is actually how you can remove the audio from your video, add another audio of your own, and then trim some part of the video. It's really an easy software to use, or an app to use. So we are going to add another video, a different video. This time you just click on this plus button to add another video. You tap on the video, you add it, then you see here the video is already added to your existing video. So you can as it has added this video, because we muted the whole video, this one also comes without an audio, Actually, the volume has just been turned off. If you see here, we made all the video mute. So what you are going to do, you tap on the video that you want the audio to be, you want the original audio, you tap on it, you look for sound down here, volume. So you tap on the volume, you just increase the volume. Once the volume is okay, you can play to try and hear. So you can see this video is now playing with the sound, but the first video has no sound. Actually, the sound it has is now the new sound that we added from our file. So if you're okay with it, you check it with this tick sign. That means the first video has different sound and the second video we added has its original sound. So you can just click on the export if you are satisfied with the work you have already done. This is the exporting process. So you can see it's not really complicated to edit video from CupCat, and this is the mobile device version, because now with the TikTok and the YouTube Shorts, CupCat has become one of the important tools that you'll need, because you want to edit your videos quick. And once the exporting is done, you can share this video to all your social media platforms right from here. But for me, I will just click done because that is it for me. Thank you.